Sanford-Burnham Medical Research Institute in Lake Nona, Florida, recently gathered the best minds in metabolic disease from all over the world to share their latest discoveries.
I'm very excited to be here because I'm learning a lot again about what's going on in other areas of research.
Matthias Chipp of the Helmholtz Center in Munich was one of 24 researchers who presented to a packed auditorium.
What we managed to do is to put several signals into one single molecule and have, so to speak, a unimolecular polypharmacy, which means a single molecule that attacks several signal pathways at the same time. And that has been proven to be very efficacious, but also safe, because what we use is Mother Nature's toolkit. We use endogenous hormones that we put together, and so far that looks like this could be the one that actually cures obesity, but so far only in mice and rats.
Scientist Bruce Spiegelman of Harvard Medical School stressed how a collaborative spirit leads to discoveries that improve human health.
I really believe that, it kind of takes a village. We have our own approaches and our own ideas, but trying to bring translation of the basic science to human therapeutics, it's a very risky business. It takes many, many good ideas, many, many good investigators, many shots on goal. I think we all have the dream that a novel therapeutic will come from our laboratories, but the next best thing would be for a novel therapeutic to come from somebody else's laboratory. And I think we all do kind of share that dream, that as a field we can move forward together.
Moving forward together, scientists ask tough questions and rely on the exchange of evidence to find new treatments for diseases like obesity.
We're very much involved in trying to understand how do you create more brown fat cells and activate them so that you can burn that fuel off. But there are some very interesting pieces of evidence from the clinical literature that show that the more active brown fat a person has, the lower their triglycerides or their body fat mass. And so while we still have a lot of fundamental work to do from the mechanistic point, I personally am rather optimistic that we will be able to find a way to build brown fat into the repertoire of therapies that we use.
The next generation of scientists, postdoctoral trainees, presented posters and heard feedback from the top scientists in their field.
I think that the networking and the connections that they can make and the opportunity to present posters and share their ideas and their science with the colleagues, their peers as well as potential employers is really extremely valuable. And these are the people that they will eventually form bonds with and who they will collaborate long term. And so I think that it's a great opportunity for that reason. And also this level of science presented is so impressive, so sophisticated, and so hopefully they come and they're inspired by the capabilities that we have in our field now.
Cutting-edge research, the world's top scientists, and Florida's famous sunshine all came together to showcase Orlando's emerging biomedical sciences cluster in Lake Nona.
I think one of the best symposia I've been to for a long time. I think really high-quality speakers, nice mix of basic and translational research, good time for discussion, great food, nice environment. What's not to like?